Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today is Friday, October 18th, 2018. It's almost Halloween. Halloween has exploded in Japan. Anyway, I'm teaching Halloween this month. In front of you are Halloween cards, and it's for Halloween memory. There are 18 pairs, 36 cards. I bought these in a box set. I bought them a long time ago in Japan. If you can find them, get them. Halloween memory game. Okay, so when you're teaching these words, make sure your students know how to say these words. Make sure your students understand what these words mean. I'll quickly go over the names with you. Witch's brew, haunted tree, spider, owl, caramel apples, black cat, candy corn, eyeballs, witch hat, witch, bones, jack-o'-lantern, mummy, haunted house, bats, ghost, broom, and spiderweb. Now some of these words you're going to have to change, like witch's brew. They don't know what that is, so I teach them witch's soup. And this is haunted tree, so I say ghost sunderu tree. That means a ghost lives in the tree. Spider, they know that. Owl, they know that. Caramel apples, they don't know what that is. They have candy apples here in Japan, which is called ringo ame, but they don't associate candy apples with Halloween. Black cat, they know. Candy corn, they don't know what that is. They know candy, and they know the word corn. They might get it mixed up with the vegetable, so just say candy. It's very hard to find candy corn here in Japan. Eyeballs is midama. Witch hat. Witch, they know. Bones, I teach them skeleton. To say bones in Japanese is hone, but I teach them skeleton because that is associated with Halloween, which is gaikotsu. Jack-o'-lantern, they know that. Mummy. See, I purposely emphasize the word mummy because some of the students get it mixed up with mother, like mommy. So I teach them mummy. Okay, it's up to you. Haunted house is obake-yashiki. Bats, they know. Ghost, they know. Broom, they know. Spiderweb, kumo no su. Make sure you know how to say these words in Japanese so that whatever they say in the beginning corresponds to the English word. Okay, and then once everyone is cool with the words, play the game as normal, the memory game. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye.